Would you tell me to smother the same divide of holy Smother Nature, reflecting the basket of kisses and holiday wishes. Repetitive thinkers, horseshoe ringers, hands made of fingers, cosmic drinkers, floating in the abyss. One more true kiss, grab my board or perpetual bliss. Hit the bullseye, can't fucking miss. Wearing fresh stains on my wedding dress, blasting through most of my spiritual anger. Harvey Danger, be sure to spank her, spank her, spank her. Seeking my place in heaven, I was born on the 7th. So march on over closer towards my body. Strut on down and spin around your shorty. Dangle your hands and lift both up, seeking a drink from my magic cup. The lady at night will rock your world enough. Extremely exhausted, sitting at the back of the bus. But if we crash, we will be the last to die. The driver up front will be left behind. Spinning wheels keep on driving, keep on turning, keep on smiling, keep on burning. Water keeps on diving, keeps on wetting, keep the sweat, and the world around us is for dead. And the rules of Smother Nature. Rejoicing for my lips, sing, voicing, voicing, voicing. We all sing, grooming my front yard. Oh, the diamond ring. Basket of kisses, swim mermaid fishes, swim, swim, swim. Carry Easter eggs in my basket of wishes, basket of kisses, swim mermaid fishes, swim.